All right, what's going on? This is your boy Sound of the Rain, and I have Mrs. Sound of the Rain. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Y'all gonna get used to that voice because you're gonna hear her on our podcast, Pop Topics, which will be coming soon. I'm doing something called a 90-day glow up. GLOW. It means God's love outwardly working. And so for me personally, I'm taking some time to just do some things for myself in some areas of self-keep and just, mental health, spiritual health, just that I hadn't really been. I kind of let them lay dormant and just kind of go, to the wayside. One of these areas is hygiene or, physical, aspects, and so I purchased some cologne. I've always loved cologne. I swear, as a father and a husband, sometimes you just you be so busy. Well, at least I can't speak for nobody else, but sometimes I just be so busy just focusing on others, I forget about myself. So I used to be a polo man hard. Polo blue was like my go-to. And but I decided to get a new fragrance for myself, and I said, you know what, I want to get something for the missus too. So I got myself some Versace and got her Versace Bright Crystal. Ordered it from fragrance.net that I heard about from Chatty Bobby. Shout out to him. This isn't sponsored or anything, but if they become a sponsor, that'd be cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this, and we're gonna see what they smell like. You're actually kind of nervous. You nervous? Baby nervous as much as this stuff costs. So they got a nice little, here it is, fragrance.com. That was fragrance.net. They got a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. I'm gonna have to tag them on this video. Hit your boy with a subscription club. Okay. All right, so I want you to smell mine first, and then I'll smell yours. Get y'all minds out together.
We're here.
Now, also keep in mind, it smells different when it's actually on somebody's body.
Right.
But this will just give us a good idea. So I got the
packaging is really nice.
Oh man, look at that.
That is beautiful.
And see, this is stuff I do on this is stuff I do on a Wednesday. This ain't even Mother's Day stuff. Fellas, step y'all game up. You know what I'm saying? Like I ain't even leaving myself no options for Mother's Day. But
Okay.
Ooh. It's got a nice light. Hers has a nice light, flowery, citrusy citrusy flavor.
It smells like air.
Air?
Like fresh, clean air.
It's like you took a bath. Let me see here. Let me switch.
Good. Oh man. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this fan off.
All right.
I have to step some.
Ah, shoot! I sprayed myself in the face.
You okay?
All right. Y'all getting a preview of Pop Topics. Dang, that smell good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's real light. Like,
yeah,
it's
right.
like
It's like airy, right?
It's like I'm not gonna hit you in the face, but when I walk past you, you're gonna be like, dang, that nigga smell good.
Okay, let me try. I actually sprayed on my skin, so. It smells fruity. Like, it smells like a drink.
Oh yeah.
Right? It smells like a citrusy drink. Okay.
Well, guys,
it smells like the summer.
I'm gonna cut, and that's what it is. It's a spring and a summer scent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, right on the
So
money.
then when the winter and the fall come, we're gonna step it up and do something different. Yeah.
That's nice.
All right, guys. So here we go. I got the Versace. I think it's just the regular one. I don't think it has any other name. It's just Versace.
For Homme.
And for her, I got Versace Bright Crystal. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, it was fragrance.com. I'm trying to get this smell out of my nose. But thank you guys for the support. Sound of the Rain. We back in the business. Pop Topics coming soon.